Going over gold futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, we're seeing signs of a converge. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we are in positive MACD and seeing signs of a diverge. We're still at overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in positive MACD and approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $166.56, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $173.36, and my stop loss is at $163.72. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $174.34, and my sell target is at $169.48, and my stop loss is at $177.32. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 50% chance to climb between 0 to 2%, a 25% chance to climb between 2 to 5%, and to the downside it has a 25% chance to fall between -2 to -5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.